Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on TikTok app. To know how to fix or how to solve network on TikTok app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok, and you can click. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop, and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time.